I'm just like all over the place. I woke up feeling really anxious. Luckily, I haven't been feeling that anxious lately because I have been taking care of myself. Like I've been journaling. Actually, no, I haven't been journaling. That's something that I should get back to. But I have been meditating and I have been working out, eating right, taking care of myself, my body, my mind, and my skin. So I have been doing those things, and that's why I feel good and fine. Also have been like going out, which is something that I have missed, and yeah, I really have been liking my life lately, honestly. But I do have these days, and I have felt this a lot since like last year. I tried adapting, and I think that was one of the major things that I had a problem with, which is just not having any sort of structure to my days. So I started doing YouTube full time in 2019. I used to come here and work, so I used to live with my parents back then, and that still felt like fine because I had something to do. Like I would come here, I would film, go back home. But then I started living by myself, which was again last year. So firstly adapting to like living alone, and the second thing is just having structure. You know, I used to just feel all over the place, like very foggy in my brain, and I still have those days where I struggle a lot with just managing my time and having like, you know, like when you work in like 9 to 5 thing, or when you like work from home or whatever, you know, you're logging in, you're logging off. For me, that thing doesn't really exist. So I am my own boss. Recently when I had been to Hyderabad, I was having this conversation with one of the creators, and he asked me what's like the best thing and the worst thing about your job. My answer was the same, like the best thing is being your own boss, and the worst thing is even that, for me personally, because yeah, it just has been taking a lot out of me to like push myself, you know, structure my days, get things done. And yeah, most days I'm like, okay, I'm my own boss, theek hai, aaj nahi karna hai, nahi karna hai, I'll take it easy. And then I find myself working on the weekends, and some days, some weeks I do find some structure, but most days it's just like blah. I do have these existential crises every now and then, but today I just felt like coming here and talking to you guys about it. Yeah, so thank you for like being there and watching my videos, I guess. Matlab, I have always wanted to do YouTube full time, and now that I'm actually doing YouTube full time, there still are days where I feel like stuck or lost, or something's like, you know, oh, this is something that I've been wanting to do all my life and I'm finally doing it, and I'll still feel like, okay, what next? And you know, every single time I happen to like achieve my goal, I feel like, okay, what next? Like I feel aimless in a way, and this happens every now and then, but then I, you know, drag myself out of it, pull myself together and be like, okay, no, you have to show up and you have to do things. But all I'm trying to say here is, if you are feeling that, it's okay to take it easy. Like I have been doing that a lot lately, and I'm just really grateful and happy to have the job that I have, and yeah, to show up here and do something that I love from the bottom of my heart. Guys, it's Sunday, and I am going to go and get some coffee for myself, and I'm here with Chirag. Chirag, do you want to say hi? That's all that you get to see, because apparently Chirag doesn't show his face. Hai na, Chirag? Chirag thinks he's marshmallow. But he literally, do you want to tell my viewers like what you told us if we put you in our vlogs? So like when we had gone to Hyderabad, everyone was vlogging basically, and Chirag's like, if you guys put me in your vlogs, or like if, you know, I am visible, then what? He's gonna delete our channel because he knows someone at like YouTube India. So that's what he told us, and nobody, I think only, do you want to tell them who? Okay, nobody put him in the vlogs, but yeah, we are just going and getting coffee right now. So yeah, that's my Sunday plan. package. Oh, I'm so really excited to open all of this. So I'm pretty sure you guys must be knowing that I went to Hyderabad recently. I visited the Kanha Shanti Vanam, and wahan pe, oh my god, I saw like the nursery of my dreams. I was blown, like my heart, oh my god, I love plants, and that place was just something. And I came across these amazing people, Sarvana Anna and also Ramakant uncle. Both of them take care of the plantation, and they were kind enough to send me plants, and they arrived. Looking out for this plant like everywhere, like I've checked out so many nurseries and none of them had this, so I was very excited when I saw this there. So I'm just going to open this up, and oh my god, like if you guys know me, you would know that the way to my heart is through plants. So you know, if you want to gift me anything, it should be plants. So I just thought of like cleaning my brushes. I got this cleaning mat from Amazon. I got it for I don't know how much, but I've never used it, and this is literally my first time using it. So I thought of like, you know, using it and seeing how it works. So yeah, I'm just going to wash my brushes now, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So the way I like to wash my brushes is, also please ignore my oily skin, it's getting really hot. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Oh my god, it's been so hot lately. Anyway, as I was saying, so the way I like to wash my brushes is, first I'll use water, then I'll dip it in my dish soap, and then little bit of olive oil, and then I'll just use my brush cleaning mat. If you don't have it, you can just use your hands, and that should do the trick. And that's about it. Then I'll just clean them, and then yeah, basically dry them. Okay, so I just received my Amazon package, and I know what it is, but I still thought of like opening up here in front of you guys. I actually ordered protein bars because you know, I get like really hungry throughout the day. So yeah, but this is not a protein bar. Okay, so this is also something that I ordered. This is just Fix Derma Sally's app for body acne. I don't really have body acne, but I do have like I don't know how to tell you, like little bumps on my back. That's because it's one time there's this one shoot and I had kind of shaved my back. I shouldn't have done that, I should have waxed it, but because of that I have like tiny bumps, and this is like I think 3 years ago, but I still have those bumps and I don't really like it. And I have been on a lookout for a body wash which has like salicylic acid in it, but I haven't found one. And the other day there was this like sponsored post, like a sponsored story on my Instagram, just apne aap appeared, and it spoke about Sally's app for body acne. This is by Fix Derma, not sponsored or anything. I just thought of ordering it, and I ordered it, and this was for like 725 rupees. I'm really looking forward to using this, honestly. Let's see, I hope it works out though. So that's that. And yeah, these are my protein bars. I think I get so hungry throughout the day since I've started like weightlifting, but yeah, I haven't really worked out in like last 2 days because yeah, I've been like really busy, but yeah, hopefully I'll work out tomorrow. And I just ordered like, oh my god, Max Protein daily choco almond bar, and then I also got this one. This is choco berry, and this one is choco classic bar. That was my little haul for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to review. I wouldn't really review, but I may talk about this product